This is a short guide to show you how to navigate eTenderWales and access WCVA grants. When logged in, you will be presented with the main dashboard. You may find that some of the terms used are unfamiliar. This is because the system was built with tenders in mind rather than grants, so this is reflected in the language. You're able to move sections on the dashboard around as desired. On the left-hand side of the screen, you will find the menu which has Home, Dashboard, Projects, My Organisation, File Sharing and User Management sections. To find WCVA grant opportunities, you will need to select Projects, PPQs open to all suppliers. You may also want to do the same process to check for ITTs. The next page will take you to a list of all opportunities available for categories you have registered an interest in. You should see WCVA grant opportunities that open in the list. You can also search for opportunities using the PPQ code or ITT code. You will find these on the scheme-specific pages on the funding section of WCVA's website. If you select one of the PQQs, you will be taken to a screen that provides some brief information about the PQQ. If you wish to apply, select Express Interest. The PPQ will then be moved to the My PPQ section, which can be accessed through the Projects menu.